Using TS-ignore might seem convenient, but it's hiding a maintenance time bomb in your codebase. Here's why TS-expect-error is the better choice. Both TS-ignore and TS-expect-error are TypeScript directives that suppress compiler errors on the next line. You place them in a comment right above the problematic code, and TypeScript will skip type checking for that line. They look almost identical in practice. Here's the critical difference. TS-expect-error will throw a compiler error if there's no actual type error to suppress. It's saying I expect an error here, and if the error doesn't exist, something is wrong. TS-ignore, on the other hand, silently does nothing even if there's no error. It just blindly suppresses whatever might be there, whether it exists or not. This makes TS-ignore dangerous for long-term maintenance. Why does this matter? Imagine you suppress an error because a third-party library has incomplete types. Later, the library updates with proper types, fixing the issue. With TS-expect-error, your build breaks with a helpful message saying the suppression is no longer needed. You remove it and move on. With TS-ignore, nothing happens. The suppression sits there forever, accumulating technical debt and hiding potential issues. When should you use TS-expect-error? Use it for known library type issues that you expect to be fixed, during gradual TypeScript migrations where you're incrementally adding types, in test files where you're intentionally testing edge cases, or for temporary workarounds you plan to revisit. The key is that TS-expect-error acts as a self-cleaning mechanism, alerting you when the underlying problem is resolved. Use TS-expect-error for temporary suppressions that alert you when they're no longer needed, keeping your codebase maintainable. Practice more TypeScript questions at interviewmentor.ai. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.